Mumbaikars in general and the industry captains in particular happy?
They are happy. They are definitely happy. And as you and me are wearing a green color, we could say this is a green flag, and we did get a good budget this time around. Well, we are also talking about something about the MSMEs. And earlier in the morning, when we had spoken, we did speak about how India is wanting to establish itself as a global competitive hub, and MSME plays a very important role. We also spoke about MSME. Now we have an MSME person with us. He's an expert. We have Sudhir Mutalik with us. He's the founder and managing director of founder and CEO of Positive Metering Pumps, and he'll speak about MSMEs. So, sir, MSMEs have gotten a lion's share, I would say. How do you see this budget, and what really changes from here?
I'm really happy after many years. I mean, Minister has focused four engines of economy, and in that MSMEs are brought on the surface. There is a special thrust on MSMEs. She has realized, she kept on talking about how MSMEs are important. I'm really happy that MSMEs are now given importance, and especially manufacturing sector. I mean, redefining the MSME itself is a very interesting phenomenon by raising the limits to 2 or 2.5%. That is something really great, which means more is expected from MSME. MSMEs more, are supposed to create more jobs. So naturally, there is an encouragement to MSMEs. Credit guarantee limit is increased from 5 crore to 10 crores. For startups, from 10 crore to 20 crores is really encouraging. Of course, at the same time, Minister has removed the tariff of 7 tariffs are removed. So I don't know how much industries, MSMEs especially, will be protected. But overall, I think it's very encouraging. The second important point is, we can see after many years of budgets that the focus is given on nuclear power generation. About 100 gigawatt is supposed to be generated by 2047, and for that there is a provision of around 20 crores to establish 5 small modular reactors. This will create many opportunities for MSMEs, or establishing a urea plant in Assam. This will create many opportunities for MSMEs. So I think this is a very encouraging budget for MSMEs in India, and I hope this will mainly help in creating more jobs.
Okay. Okay, so Sakal, yes,
Yes.
he has mentioned, and he has mentioned the point of view of MSMEs, and as he was speaking that MSMEs can play a larger role when it comes to producing smaller equipments or necessary equipments for the large manufacturing. Now we are also talking about startups over here. Nirmala Sitharaman, the finance minister, she has laid thrust on the startups also, and how the innovation, R&D, and everything will play an important role in putting India at that global map. Over here also, we could say that these startups, earlier at for an example, if a person
Okay.
who has that space background from
Okay.
IIT, he goes into ISRO or similar organization, they would usually get a chance 10 years or 15 years into that
Okay.
particular
Okay.
job. But now, since startups and the entire ecosystem have gotten such a great ecosystem rather,
Right.
so the person who's just started his startup can actually contribute to the nation's development, and especially when we're talking about the security, national security, and everything,
Right,
which
Shama.
is very important.
Yes.